YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video featuring a few of my favorite bags, the Coach Cassie, and my new Valentino rock stud, well, not rock stud, Roman stud in the pink Borealis color. The unboxing part of the video is going to be what comes out of this box from CThruPurses.com. Leanne generously gifted me a few new straps so that we can play in my closet, play dress up, and see how we can snazz up a few of my popular bags, particularly the Coach ones. Those are really popular ones. So as you can see, I have a box full of goodies, and let's just start with the first one I pull out and we'll see what we can do. I kind of knew what was coming because I had reached out to Leanne with a few of the bags that I have that maybe might want to have a strap to dress them up with, and my Coach Cassie 19 in the sport red was calling this strap's name. I thought I would whip it out and show you how this strap is game changer for the Cassie 19. Did you ever see a better match with the Coach Cassie 19 sport red? I think not. And I love how the little bees that are embroidered into the material give you Gucci vibes without being Gucci, because Gucci has a pretty high price tag. Trust me, I know. So let's go ahead and adjust this and I will try it on for you. The one really cool thing about CThruPurses straps is they really do give you some extra length over your standard Amazon strap. And I forget to mention that sometimes, but if I were to extend this all the way, you would see that it goes well below my natural waist. I tend to wear my bags up a little bit higher on the body. I would probably bring it up to around that point, which is kind of a cool spot because it shows a B right there and a B right there. And I'm digging it. I think this strap is made for this bag. Another strap that I wear with this bag is from Coach, and it's from my Field Tote 22 that I currently have listed for sale on both my community page as well as my Instagram page. My Instagram page is the same as my channel name, so if you just type in the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife, I'll pop right up. This is the bag that I have listed for sale currently, and it is a Field Tote 22, and I was gonna keep the strap that it came with, but instead include an upgraded strap, which is the canvas strap with the leather backing. These straps retail for $95, and I actually bought it to go specifically with this bag. I think it looks better with this bag than the strap that came with it, and it restricts your wardrobe choices by a lot less than the fabric strap because it doesn't have a red stripe running through it. Anyway, I thought I would try this on for you real quick, and I also wanted to show you this cute little charm that I put onto the bag. It's a little leaf, and it has C's in the leaf, so it goes super well with the C's in the monogram pattern. So there's nothing wrong with my Field Totes. That's not why I've been selling them. I am just, I think, kind of moving past wanting totes at the moment. I just don't reach for this style quite as much. I tend to like a flap or a zipper better than the openness. So I'm keeping a couple and I'm letting most of the rest of them go. This particular bag, it retails, I believe, for $3.95 plus tax when it comes with the web strap. And since I have swapped it out for this strap, it would probably go for just a little more than that because this strap would probably cost a little more than the nylon one that comes with it. But I'm asking $315 shipped, and it would come with the strap that is shown here, the little charm on the hang tag, and also the bag. And the bag is barely worn. I might have worn it one time. I don't think I ever wore this strap, so it's brand new. So the bag could be brand new. I just can't promise that because I don't remember. So you're getting about a 30% savings, I would say. I paid more than that, but I'm happy to provide you with the best deal that I can, and I hope that's fair. Anyhow, if you really, really want the original strap that came with the bag and you don't want this strap, I can probably swap them back the other way, but it would still be the $315. Next on the list is the Valentino Roman stud bag and the Pink Borealis. I mentioned in a previous video that I was sort of thinking about maybe selling this to Fashion File and getting the Rose Canal color. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It's Cannelle, I believe. But I got a quote from Fashion File and it was so far below what I paid, and I actually submitted it to Rebag as well. Once again, so far below what I paid, and I got a great deal. So I sort of thought that I might be able to come out just a tiny bit behind with Fashion File, and that's not the case. So I'm going to use this bag and love it over the spring. And again, the only thing that sort of made me think about swapping the colors is my collection is moving more towards neutral shades, and this is a little pinker in person than it comes off on the screen. On screen it looks like just the sweetest baby pink, and it's just a little brighter than that in person, and that's why I was thinking about switching to that nude pink instead of this one. It makes absolutely no sense to do that though, because I have my Gucci Marmont in that nude pink, and I also have a Prada Re-Edition in a nude pink as well. The color names for those, I believe, are, I think the Gucci might be Dusty Pink or Poudre. I don't know. I'm probably getting that totally wrong. And then the Prada color is Cameo Beige. So let's check out what Leanne sent for this beautiful Valentino bag. This strap is amazing. It is an absolute stunner. I believe she told me it might be cherry blossoms, but my memory is terrible. I try my best, but sometimes I'm just plain wrong. And so let's go ahead and extend it out and clip it on to this beautiful Valentino bag and see what it does for this bag. The hardware on the CThruPurses straps is a shiny gold, but it is yellow, and I find that as long as the shade is relatively close, that it doesn't make much of a difference if you've got a little bit of shiny and a little bit of antiqued gold on the same bag strap combo. I'm quickly realizing that my outfit choice is somewhat terrible for doing this. From what I can see in the viewfinder, I think that this strap looks amazing with this bag. In fact, I want to go check it out in the mirror real quick before I take it off, because I just really can't see all that well, but it's really comfortable. Now, the chain that comes with this bag can be worn on the shoulder or crossbody. I think that I'll probably end up using it mostly on the shoulder when I use the chain, but I love that this gives me a super comfortable crossbody option. I have a stand-up mirror in my bathroom, and I just went to check it out in there, and it is a beautiful combination. And I love that it gives me some additional colors that I could wear as a solid background for this beautiful pink bag. The third bag I'd like to feature today is the Tally bag by Coach. This is a very popular Coach style, and I saw this zebra strap on Leanne's website, CThruPurses.com, and I thought that the stripes might just be almost a perfect match, and they are. So I've got a beautiful hue of purple as well as a chalk-like color or an off-white color in this gorgeous strap. One thing about the Tally bags is that you do wear the strap a little shorter. I've mentioned this before. You don't need as long of a strap when the bag is north-south versus east-west, at least in my experience, because the whole bag hangs lower down on your body just because of its shape. So I am loving that combo, and of course that would work well with any chalk bag by Coach, and I think it would also work well with the new cream color by Tory Burch. So this bag, I obviously can't put a strap on, but I know that Tory Burch has multiple bags in this color that maybe you could put a different strap on. And so I wanted to show you, this is the new cream shade by Tory Burch, and it would go really well with this strap too. And then of course, the chalk is a fabulous combination as well. Last but not least are a couple of gorgeous chain straps, and this is in a gunmetal shade. I have shown you different chains over the course of my channel. I will say that these are extremely nice quality. They're a little thinner than some of the other gunmetal chains I have shown you. And when I say thinner, I'm talking about the diameter side to side. So if you were looking for a dainty crossbody chain with a little bit of bling factor and the Louis Vuitton like clips, this would be an excellent choice. Leanne was gracious and sent me both the silver and the gunmetal. And so there you go. You can see the silver as well. And I just so happen to have 2 Longchamp bags that I can try on with these and show you how they look. So if you look here, you see how great of a match it is with the Longchamp gunmetal hardware. And I think the length on these is either 47 or 47.5 inches, which is a fabulous length for the extra small Longchamp Les Pliage bags. My bottom of my boob area is right here, so I have a lot of clearance. And then my natural waist is right here. So you can see where it hits me. I'm 5'8" and about 150 pounds. Unfortunately, I gained weight on my ski trip. I'm hoping that it is all water weight, but we'll see. Sometimes it takes me a few days to get past that when I get back home. Here is the second option. This is my Longchamp extra small in the mock croc. And you'll see that the silver hardware on these chains is a beautiful match to the Longchamp silver hardware. The clips are swivel clips, so you don't have to worry about kinking or anything like that. You can just roll it around until you get it to lay flat on your body. But I do think that that is a beautiful chain. And you got, I believe, I think she has 4 color options. So she has a gold and then a more yellow gold and silver and gunmetal. And they are $24 if memory serves correct, but you can get 30% off with my code, which I'll put down in my description box. So they're a really good deal. So that is it for my CThruPurses unboxing and strap try-on haul featuring Coach, Valentino, and, well, heck, a little bit of Tory Burch just snuck in there. It wasn't really a try-on of Tory Burch, but just to show you a color comparison. I love all of these options, but I have to say, I think I'm the most excited about the one with the bees. And I don't know why. I love the red and I'm looking forward to wearing it. I think I may break it out today. I'm planning on switching out of my baby Nikki bag, which was my vacation bag, and she served her purpose well, but I'm getting tired of her. And so I think I'm going to switch into my sport red Cassie 19. My kids' sports colors are a pale blue like my shirt, as well as this color of sport red. And so this is going to be the bag swap for the day, but I'm out of time. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the handbag housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.